Alright, hey everyone, our second topic today is on what the North did. So we're looking today at the North, alright, and their plan to win the war. When we talk about their plan, we're going to be talking about a feature and a creature, the anaconda snake. So if you know anything about anacondas, they surround their prey, so what they want to eat or capture, they surround it and then they kind of squeeze it and suffocate it until it passes and they can eat it. If you look at our map, the Anaconda Plan, you will see, alright, that the North is going to surround the states in the South. They are going to try to push them into the middle, alright, to then kind of capture them and smaller the space to then win the war. So the first step that they are going to take in this plan is to surround the South by the waterways, so by sea. So they're going to make a plan to surround them using the different waterways. So in our notes we want to write down surround the South. Come on, computer. By sea. This way they can't trade or use the water as a resource to help support them and win. Step 2, they're going to divide it into sections. So divide the Confederacy or the South into sections. So by surrounding them in different areas, alright, they have the Mississippi River, they have all around Florida to take over, and then they have the northern part of the South. So they can divide it into sections for takeover. Lastly, they are going to go after the heart of the South, which is to take over the capital, which was Richmond, Virginia. So they want to capture Richmond, which is the capital, to destroy their government. Again, it's going to help if you pause the video, alright, look at your slides to then type in your answers. I hope you can kind of read some of my scribbling. I really don't like snakes, so this plan kind of freaks me out. Alright, I'm not a big snake person, but the Anaconda Plan, if you think about it, they were surrounding the southern states to try to bring them into a smaller space to attack in a smaller fighting field to win the war. I hope this helps. Thank you guys for taking your notes. We'll talk soon.